Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a powerful yet affordable PDF editor, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing the latest Wondershare PDFelement 10 coupon codes, promos, and discounts for 2025, so you can grab it at the lowest price possible. And as always, I've included a special link in the description that applies Wondershare's biggest available discount automatically, so you never waste time hunting for codes. For anyone new to PDFelement, it's one of the most popular alternatives to Adobe Acrobat, giving you professional-grade PDF editing without the expensive subscription. Here's why PDFelement 10 is worth checking out in 2025. Full PDF editing, text, images, and pages can be modified just like a Word document. AI-powered features like text summarization, chat with PDFs, and auto-translation. OCR technology to convert scanned documents into editable text, form creation, and data extraction for businesses and professionals, cross-platform support, available on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. Now let's talk about saving money. Here are the best PDFelement 10 coupon codes and deals available right now. PDFE2025 and get 30% off annual and perpetual licenses. Save 20 PDF, extra 20% off upgrades from older versions. Bundle 25, 25% off when you buy PDFelement with another Wondershare product like Filmora. Flash PDF, limited time extra 10% discount during seasonal sales like Black Friday or New Year. And here's the easiest way to guarantee you're getting the biggest savings. Just click my special discount link in the description. It's always updated with Wondershare's top promotion and applies it automatically at checkout. Pro tip: if you plan to use PDFelement long-term, go for the perpetual lifetime license during a major sale. It's usually heavily discounted and saves you money compared to paying yearly. So that's it. The best Wondershare PDFelement 10 coupon codes and discount strategies for 2025. If you're ready to edit, sign, and manage your PDFs like a pro while saving money, click the link in my description, grab your discount, and start using PDFelement today. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more software tips and deals, and comment below telling me what you'll be using PDFelement for: contracts, forms, or just day-to-day document editing. Remember, professional PDF editing doesn't have to cost a fortune. With PDFelement 10 and these coupon codes, you can work smarter and save big in 2025.